Hey, in this video we are going to learn how to cite in Quillbot. If you are using Quillbot for paraphrasing or generating content and need to cite it properly, follow these methods based on the citation style you are using. First of all, open up your preferred web browser and in the search bar type in quillbot.com and click on enter. You can also log in to your account or create a new account from here. Now, on the Quillbot dashboard at the left hand side of your screen, find citation generation option. After that, on the search bar here, you can search by title, URL, DOI, ISBN or keywords. After that, click on Cite. Here you can copy the citation from this copy button. You can also find more in-text citation option from here. So that is how you can cite in Quillbot. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.